Hi, my gardening angels. If you are new here, my name is Jess, and today I'm making a succulent Christmas project. And so I wanted to start by saying that I would love to see your guys' Christmas succulent creations. So if you post it on any social media, please use this hashtag that I will put right here, Christmas Sucks Without You, and that's with two C's, as in succulent. And tag me in it as well, because I would love to see what you guys come up with and get inspired by your guys' creations as well. So if you haven't already, I already posted one Christmas Sucks Without You project, and that was a red truck, and I'll include a link down to it below. So go check that out if you haven't already. But today is a succulent nativity, and I used a rooftop shed that I have for my nativity and then filled it with succulents using sphagnum moss and just succulent cuttings that I took from my garden. And so just a couple of disclaimers here. The succulents will not be harmed by the hot glue. I've used hot glue hundreds of times in other projects, and every single time they grow roots and they grow happy, and I've been able to reuse them. Probably all the ones that I'm using on my nativity I've used in other projects before in the past. So trust me, they'll be fine. Just be careful. Don't burn yourself, because I did a couple of times making the project. For watering, you're just going to run it under some water really quick, let it dry off, maybe take a towel and dry off the wood because you don't want that to get ruined. I am not going to worry too much about watering because I'm only going to be keeping this up until after Christmas, and then I'll be taking it apart and putting the succulents back in some soil so that they can reroot. So they probably will only need a watering or two between now and then anyways, so I'm not going to worry too much about it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you could give it a big thumbs up, that'd be so supportive of my channel. And then if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe down below. I will see you guys later. Bye.